People who drive by or visit Highland Hill Farm are amazed at the number of bird boxes they see along fences and in hedgerows of our fields. We do this as a method to increase the bird population because birds do a lot of good for our trees. They help control insects, and they also make it a more pleasant place to work.
If you are interested in buying some trees from us and you do not see the tree that you're looking for, there's an easy way to see if we have it. What we'd like you to do is to go to YouTube and search on YouTube by entering in our telephone number, and that is 215-651-8329, and then the name of the plant that you're looking for. If we have it, the YouTube video of it will come up and you can see what we have.